How to make money selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money selling printable recipe cards on Etsy. So let's get started by opening Etsy.com to show you some examples of the product that you will be selling. So here, let's go to the search and type printable recipe cards and click on search and wait for it to load, and here you will see a lot of examples of the product that we will be selling. So here you can see that there are a lot of products. We will look for the ones with popular now. That's the product we are going to check. So here all of them are not popular now, some of them are Etsy's pick. We can check those ones as well. Here, this is an Etsy's pick, 17,000 reviews, 22,000 reviews. I want the ones with popular now, like this one here, for example. It's a popular one now, so let's check this one here. Let's wait for it to load to see the page of this product, and in a bit we are going to check also another platform which will give us the insights of this shop, how much reviews they have, how much money they have made, when did they start their shop, and when did they list this product on their shop, and all of the details about this shop. And here guys, the reason why I like the digital products is that there is no problems at all in digital products, not like the physical products. In the physical products you will need to pay for the delivery, pay for the refunds or returns, pay for the third party platform or company that will take care of the delivering and the packaging of the product. And also you will need to worry about the time of the delivery. Is it 15 days, is it 14 days, and all sort of those problems. You won't have to deal with that in digital products. The client will pay and immediately will receive his product, and there are no refunds and no returns in digital products, because once you buy the digital product you cannot, as you can see here, digital means it's ready to download straight away after buying, no waiting and no shipping fees. Purchase once and it's yours forever. No physical product will be shipped. Frame and props are not included. So that's what I said. And here we have the refunds and terms. Every digital and instant download purchase is non-refundable, as there is no way for us to tell whether you have printed the design. If you have any questions or concerns about your order, please feel free to reach out to us anytime. As I said guys, you won't need to worry about refunding or returns as well. So let's go to Everbee. It's the platform that we will use to spy on this shop, to see how many sales they are making per month, and we are going to see their total sales as well, and the amount of products that they have on their shop. So let's just wait for it to load. Give it a few seconds and we will head straight to the shop analyzer here. That's the tool we are going to use. Let's wait for it to load, and here let's go to the shop analyzer and let's copy the name of this shop, which is this one here. Copy, and let's go back to Everbee. Let's wait for it to complete loading. Go to the search, type the name of the shop and click search shop. Give it a few seconds to load again, and then we will be able to see all of their products, the price of the product, and here you can see the monthly revenue, but you will need, and the monthly sales, but you will need to pay for the upgraded version of this tool. So here you can see that they have more than 4,000 listings on their shop, and here let's scroll right to see the shop's age. 51 month is the shop's age, and here we have the total shop sales, more than 300,000 sales in total. So that is a lot of money that has been made. So here, if you scroll up, let's see what's the name of this product here. It costs approximately $3, and the name is recipe book template. I think we are not going to find it in the top of this page. Here we can go to this one here, digital book journal, to see how much money they have made with this product here. And as I said, guys, you won't be able to see the sales of the product, but you will be able to see the reviews. And if you can just multiply the reviews by 2, you will guess the amount of sales that they made, because most of the people that buy the product do not leave a review, and half of them leave a review, so you will just count it that way. So here you can see that they have made more than 400 sales based on the reviews, and they are making approximately 40 sales per month with this one product here. And if you can just multiply you can make 4 times 40, then you will see the amount of money that they are making per month with this one only product. And you can do the same method with the other products to see how much money these people are making per month with all of the products that they have. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to take you to another page where you will be able to create a product like that for your own. And here it's canva.com. So let's open canva.com. Let's open canva.com to show you how you can create products like this to sell or to list in your Etsy shop as well. So here let's type the name of the product, which is printable recipe cards, and here you will be able to see a lot of templates that you can use in order to create products like this one here. So let's wait for it to load. Printable recipe cards templates, and here as you can see we have a lot of templates to use. So you can just take a template here and make adjustments based on the trending topics or based on the trending design. So for example, you can just copy this design here, go to Canva, take something that is close to this design, and then start adjusting it to add your sign or your signature. Then make sure to create a design that matches the trending designs that are available on Etsy. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you understand the method. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.